Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos right away. You can also select folders at the top, look for your photos here, and after finding the chosen one, tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!